He's not acting as a bully, he's a bully.
Wamunyoro, you are making us feel uncomfortable with you.
We will not allow you to continue intimidating other principles.
Thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta gũchea mũcemanio wa Azimio kiumia-inĩ gĩkĩ, nĩrĩo tũronire atongoria matiganĩte a ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro magĩũkĩrĩra Gachagua, ũrĩa onake no wa mũng'ethanĩro. Na andũ marambĩrĩria kwĩyũria waya gũkorwo JB Muturi, Lene Kivuti na Peter Munya nĩbo iru maraiguĩra Gachagua. No thutha wa kwĩyumĩria kwa Onyonka na Kibagendi nao magĩũkĩrĩra Gachagua, ũndũ ũcio koneka kwaya gũkorwo ũrĩ na guoko kwa Uhuru Kenyatta thutha wa mũcemanio wa Azimio mokĩrĩre Rigathi Gachagua makĩgeria kũmũnyihia ngumo yake na kũmũrenga magũrũ nĩ ũndũ wa ngumo yake iria tambĩte mũno gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya. Reke ngũrehere video itiganĩte tũrore kana hena guoko kwa Uhuru Kenyatta. Ũyũ nĩ Onyonka akĩaria mbere ya Matiang'i agĩũkĩrĩra Gachagua, na thutha ũcio Matiang'i ndanakũmithia mĩario ĩyo.
Wamunyoro, you are making us feel uncomfortable with you. You are talking about how you have the numbers and nobody should go to Murima because you have taken Murima to be your fiefdom. You believe that many of us who may not have 4 million votes cannot be president of Kenya. Sir, we are asking you, this time it is also our time.
Gwĩciria nĩwona Onyonka na araria mũcemanio-inĩ wa atongoria a Jubilee, na Jubilee nĩ ya Uhuru Kenyatta, na Matiang'i e hau, na thutha ũcio Matiang'i ndanakũmithia mĩario ĩyo. Rĩu tacũthĩrĩria nake Kibagendi akĩaria mbere ya Matiang'i marĩ mũcemanio-inĩ kana rarĩ, no thutha ũcio Matiang'i ndanakũmithia mĩario ya Kibagendi kwaya gũkorwo nĩ Uhuru Kenyatta ũraria kũhĩtũkĩra atongoria aya mang'etheire Rigathi wa Gachagua.
Rigathi Gachagua, sisi kama makabila madogo, we are feeling that you are intimidating us. We want to tell you, Rigathi Gachagua, while we have tremendous respect for you, sisi tunataka tukae kwa meza kama equal partners. We will not allow you to continue intimidating other principles in the opposition. Wewe Rigathi Gachagua, ningependa kukuambia, sisi tayari tulikuwa kwa opposition kabla utoke kwa serikali. Kwa hivyo kuja polepole, tuko tayari kufanya na watu kazi na watu wa Mount Kenya, usije ukatudhulumu.
Ucio nĩ Kibagendi agĩũkĩrĩra Rigathi Gachagua na aramũkĩrĩra mbere ya Matiang'i, na thutha ũcio Matiang'i ndanakũmithia mĩario ĩyo. Rĩu reke ngũrehere mĩario ya Peter Munya akĩaria na Jeff Koinange. Munya aroiga Gachagua nĩ abuli, atĩ ndaramareka.
Nyinyi hamuna watu, mnatembea peke yenu. You're alone. What's going on?
That's the kind of language we are seeing is demeaning. He's not acting as a bully, he's a bully.
Nginyagia hau na video icio wonete, na no ngũkũrehera ingĩ cia JB Muturi na Kivuti na Gachagua. Nginyagia hau nĩ ũrona no wĩcirie kana Uhuru Kenyatta no akorwo akĩenda gũcokia umaarufu na ngumo yake gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa Mount Kenya, na kũmĩcokia nĩ kũgerera kũnyihia hinya wa Gachagua. Nĩ ũrona ta kwĩna ũhotekeku ũcio. Tambo thikĩrĩrie JB Muturi na Lene Kivuti.
Why are you saying in the absence of those other leaders of those parties, why are you telling them to dissolve and join DCP? And you just say, you formed your party the other day.
This matter has been put to Honorable Gachagua before. It's not like it's new. And you also, guys, you just said you also know it. So if the press knows it, and the people down there, they know it, you expect us to keep quiet?
When you're on Edwin Sifuna join Azimio, na angĩkorwo nĩ ekũjoin Azimio na Gachagua ndarenda kũjoin Azimio kana ndarendekana thĩinĩ wa Azimio, nĩ ũrona Gachagua tagathiĩ gĩthurano-inĩ wiki. Nĩ ũrona hihi ta kũngĩhoteka atĩ Uhuru Kenyatta nake nĩ arenda kwĩrĩhĩria kumana na maũndũ marĩa mekanire na Rigathi Gachagua maingĩra wathani-inĩ. Rĩu tathikĩrĩria Gachagua, ucoke unyandĩkĩre thĩinĩ wa comments no subscribe.
Na mimi sijasema mtu avuje chama yake. No, mimi nasema kila mtu aingie DCP. Si ndio mimi nasema? And I'm doing it daily. Mpaka leo si niko na nyinyi. Niko na watu wengine. Saturday nilifanya mkutano 3 Nyanyuki, Chaka na Rumoro. Sunday nilifanya mkutano 7 Nyandarua. Kesho niko na watu hapa na wengine. Friday niko Kiambu town. Saturday niko Kajiado. Sunday niko Kiambaa, Monday niko Narok. Si mimi natia bidii. So DCP imekuwa na umaarufu because party leader Rigathi Gachagua na jeshi yake, they are working hard. Si ndio? Chama lazima uuze na sera, lazima uzunguke. So mimi naambia my brothers, please, nimeshukuru sana mmekuja. Kivuti sija kuwa nimekuona, welcome. Munya nimeona umekuja, kuja. Hii safari ya kufukuza Kasongo hapana rais. Kutoa rais kwa ofisi ni kazi. So come we work together. Na muuze chama. Muuze chama. Sasa mtaenda hasara mkikosa kuuza chama. Sasa wewe Munya na PNU Olokalao bado fika. Sasa mkapata kula 28, unapata aibu. Kwa sasa ukikosa kufanya kampeni utapata kura. I want to clarify today that DCP and Rigathi Gachagua welcome all political parties. They come. We compete fairly. The only thing hatutaki mashindano ni kitimo ya rais peke yake. Hiyo tunataka tuelewane zote. And since Munya anasema one term, Muturi anasema one term, huyu Kivuti anasema one term, iko vita wapi? There's no problem. They are all saying the same thing. The only difference is the level of activity. Sisi tuko na bidii. And you know, there is no shortcut to hard work. There is no replacement for effort. So my brothers, please come, tusukume. Tukusikia mkutano huko, pande hii ufanye, pande hii sanya watu. Mimi nasimamisha mtu kila pahali. Ile kiti tutaelewana ni ya president peke yake. Na mimi nataka nipewe. Nisipopewa tupewe mwingine. Si ndio? Lakini ya governor Embu niko na mtu. Meru niko na mtu. So how those two governors labda ndio wanalia. That one I cannot help them. Hiyo watajitetea kwa raia. But I am saying we have nothing against other political parties, especially hapa Mlimani. Na ujue mimi ninapenda chama zingine. Bere North, at the request of Justin Muturi and Lenny Kivuti, I stepped down a very popular candidate wa DCP, anaitwa Mbui. Na wa members wa DCP wakaniletea shida sana. Lakini nikasema kwa sababu Justin Muturi amejitolea sana kwa ukombozi wa Kenya. He has been very active. He has been with us in every meeting. I said, let us step down the candidate as per his request. On top of that, mimi mwenyewe nikaenda mbele for 10 days. Na jeshi langu. Na tukasukuma hiyo mpaka tukashida. Tukaibiwa tukiangalia na macho. Ndio tukajipanga Olokala. Mbele tuliibiwa kama tunaangalia. Mimi nilienda hapo for 10 days. Na jeshi langu to support a candidate wa DP, not DCP. Which demonstrates that I am comfortable with other political parties in this mountain. Because I not only stepped down my candidate, but went to actively campaign kwa candidate wa DP.
Thutha wa guthikiriria atongoria ciothe, ni urona ta kwina guoko kwa Uhuru Kenyatta ari njukirira ici cierekeirio Rigathi Gachagua. Ni urona Edwin Sifuna egwitikira kuingira Azimio ndagika ya Gachagua ni aritikira kuingira na guseto na guikara Azimio. Gachagua ni egwitikira gutwara support yake na base yake Azimio weacokia inuke guoko gutheri. Ni urona Gachagua agathie githurano-ini wiki. We ni urona Uhuru Kenyatta tarageria gusettle scores kana kuirihiria ni maundu maria mekanire na Gachagua thutha wa Gachagua kuingira wathani. Nyandikira thiina wa comments no subscribe.